Hi, hello. So this is the easiest way for you to be able to create your vouchers for your access points that you're going to sell to your clients. Simply, you receive your username and password. So you visit the link that we send to you, and then when you get to here, you can type in the username. Let's say this is for one client, and the password, and click login. It's going to redirect you to this page. Now, under this, all you need is the voucher groups. Just click on voucher groups. It will load. By default, these are the ones that we had created for him earlier. Then you come to create voucher groups. Put the title. For example, you may want to be to create for daily. Let's say daily 1 hour. Code length, that is by default, you can leave that. Then the total number of vouchers that you need created, maximum you can create up to 100. Here you can see them. So just change this to 500. Scroll down. Then what you need is the duration. So you have 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, 7 days. Then custom, it's in minutes, hours, and days. So you choose whichever that you want. If it's 30 days, just if it's 1 month, just select days and then you just put 30. But in this case, since here I marked it as daily 1 hour, I'm going to create 1 hour. So you come back to this, change it to 1 hour, and then save. Maybe voucher validity if you want them to expire, but in this case, it makes no sense for you to have them expire since you're going to print them and sell them. So just click on save. We're good. So you can see down here we have daily 1 hour. So if you want to print them, just come here where there is a printer icon, click on print unused vouchers. You can see these are the ones. This is the format of the paper that you're printing on. So you can see here, if you have a printer already, select the printer. But if you don't have a printer and you want to save it maybe on a flash and go and print it somewhere, just leave it to save as PDF and click on save. It will redirect you to a folder that you want to save to. So here, this is just for many places, voucher 1 hour daily, and you're good to go. That way you can just copy it, put it on a flash, and maybe go to where the printer is and print it and give it to your clients. It's as simple as that. Also by default, every voucher that is used, you see here, for example, we created a demo, 10 of them. So every voucher that is used, it auto deducts. So if you want to know how many, for example, sales you have made, all you have to do is just come and take a look at these numbers. They will tell you how many vouchers have been used. Thanks.